welcome back to Hang Out with Lucy time.
What are we doing today, Lucy?
We are going to make a yummy smoothie today.
And how are you going to make the smoothie?
So first you will need yogurt, banana, and fruit, and apple juice.
So can you show us how to put it into the cup?
Yep. You just dump everything in. Ah, I jumped.
That's okay, just put it in.
Yeah, that's fine.
Perfect.
Next, you're gonna throw in all the yogurt.
Yummy.
Then a banana. Last but not least, apple juice.
Can you tell us the instructions you have down here? Directions?
Put everything into the cup, which we already did. Blend it together, and 3, drink it!
Okay, so we're gonna get ready to blend it here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a napkin and just wipe off the edges. Do you think it'll taste good?
Yeah, do you guys think it will taste good?
I think it'll taste good. So we're just getting the counter ready. We're gonna put the lid on.
And we're gonna blend it.
Probably won't take too long, it might be loud. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Sorry if it's loud, everyone. Okay, I'm sorry if that was loud, but that's what we have to do next.
So we're gonna pour it in.
Yeah.
We're gonna get the straw ready.
Okay, we got a little straw here. Let's put it down.
Are you gonna try it out?
Yep.
What does it taste like?
Seriously, that actually tastes really good.
Perfect.
I can tell you what it tastes like.
Tell me.
Peaches and apples.
Yummy.
I know. I could drink this all day.
Do you recommend it? People should make our recipe. You say thanks for hanging out.
Thanks for hanging out. Bye.